Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amir. I'm a software engineer. I bought a monitor recently and start my channel with this video, opening and having a review on it. And also, yep, let's go and see what happened. Okay, this is my workstation for these 2 years. I just worked in this table and with just this laptop, and this screen I think it's 50, and it's too small for my work. I need to have many tasks on my screen, and because of that I think I can now buy a monitor. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So it's Huawei mateview G, I think, yeah, GT. It's 165 hertz, and I think it's 34-inch. It's good actually, and also it's curved. My friends suggest me to buy a curved monitor because with that you can see the stuff better than the flat monitor. I want to share my review after months, after using it actually, because I can't tell you now it's the best or it's worse. I need to first use it and then share my review. So please subscribe my channel to see the video, please, and like this video also. Here it comes. Oh my god, it's heavy. The first thing is too heavy. So let's see, what is this? I think it's a cable, power cable. Yeah, but the energy is, it's the worst thing I ever seen because it's G. It's power cable actually. And the HDMI, I think. Yeah, it's HDMI for the laptop. It doesn't have a USB-C, and I'm really, sad for it, because if it had a USB-C, I could charge my laptop and share my screen with the one cable. But now I need to charge my laptop with another cable and share my screen with this. So they are standard, I think. Yeah, they are standard monitor. I need to grab it up. And here. The monitor. Oh my god, see what's inside. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's put this stuff down. Desk is too small for this monitor. I plan to buy another desk, maybe adjustable desk or maybe a stable desk, I don't know. I just have planned to do it. I needed to do it sooner than this, but I really need the monitor. I hope it's fit here, but I plan to buy a desk and I will review that desk again. I also plan to buy a chair. I also plan to buy a keyboard, plan to buy a mouse, plan to buy... I have many plans to buy, okay? So I don't know how to do this. I need to see what it is. It's going to be here, actually. It's matching here. I see the video about it in the YouTube channel. This monitor have another edition, but I couldn't find it in the country I live now, and that's have a built-in speaker. That's edition have built-in speaker here, but the standard edition doesn't have it. No. Okay, then I need to do this and it's finished. Yeah, So what will happen here? Oh my god, that's huge, but it's fit here. It's good actually to be here, but I don't know where to put my laptop. I think it's adjustable. Yeah, here. Just see. Come up and down, and the surface is going to be like this. And I don't know if we can do. No, we can turn right or left. Yeah, here. So let's see how we can put this cable. This is a power cable. Really, it's beautiful. I really like the packaging. Everything is beautiful. It's Huawei, but you know, they pay good attention to the customer and pack everything in a beautiful way. It's not the perfect, but it's good actually. I love the packaging and love the things. I really love this sound. It wasn't HDMI cable. I don't know what the hell it is. It's DP actually right there. I need to search about it. I don't know actually. And here we have the HDMI. Actually, I think it's the longest HDMI cable in the world. It's never end. It's end. I work in darkness always. It's look like a cave here. So let's go. Here the beautiful Huawei logo. So technically this is my screen. I don't do this stuff. It's just some RBAC. So the light is not reflect on the screen because of the screen type, and now my eye not hurting again because of the reflect, and it's a really good thing because I always worked in the dark and in the cave, and yeah, that was not good for me. So this is all, and I will share another video about the experience of using this monitor. This is just unboxing, and I will share another video about the experience of this monitor. And also I need to buy a keyboard because my laptop is not fitting here. And in the next video also, instead of just share my experience about the monitor, I will share my experience about the keyboard and the mouse. I bought you know, the bad keyboard in the past, and I didn't like that, but now I'm going to buy a keyboard and the mouse, and then share my experience with you guys. See you in the next one.